Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add drawings in Google Docs on your phone. There is no feature like the desktop on your phone to draw directly in the Google Docs app, but I will show you a simple trick on how to add drawings on your Google Docs documents. First of all, find the Notes app and open it. Now tap on to create new note and then start drawing whatever you want to add, just like this. Then tap on to done. Here you can see the share button at the top corner. Simply tap on it and then tap on to save image. Now the image has been saved to your gallery. Open the Docs app. Now choose the document where you want to add the drawing. Then tap on to the pencil icon right here. Next, tap on to the plus icon at the top corner and then tap on to image button right here. Now choose from photos. Now here you can see the drawing has been added. Now tap on it and tap to add. Now you can see the drawing has been added to your document. And that's it. This is how you can add drawings to your documents in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.